Say hi. Okay, let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. All right, say goodbye.
Cats aren't just bossy with their owners, they're bossy with every single living creature within their control.
Okay, ready? Get red hard. Get it. Did you get it? Yay, you got it!
These furballs are expert at creating problems for themselves. That's why they've mastered impressive problem-solving skills. Bro thinks standing on two legs looks more intimidating, but he completely forgot about his hilarious posing.
Oh, alah, ngapain tuh? Hey, awas jatuh. Hey, hey. Ты такой смешной.
The lesson learned: if you want to see cats' mind-blowing moments, just set up a camera.
Siapa yang paling cantik di dunia ini? Apakah Neng atau Ika? Serius banget sih, Neng? Lagi menata mengagumi.
He's not tumbling for clout, he's literally baiting you into a game of tag. When the zoomies hit, but you accidentally mistake them for a zombie challenge. These fellas are naturally curious about anything long and stringy. That's why they often play with their tails. These furballs only have a talent for balance, but risk management, not a chance. This is when even their passion for grooming can't override their pure disgust for an unpleasant scent. Just got a tiny shield, and their confidence to tease others just skyrockets instantly.
Wait, Marie, are you okay? Marie?
What's this sparkly thing? What if I touch it? Wait, is this magic human?
Buddy, are you okay?
This buddy must feel helpless because two-legged standing skills just can't keep up with the passion for balls.
No.
If you refuse to drink water the traditional way, then accept being this soaked buddy.
What did you do? Fuse, guys, come here. I can't.
Looks like Buddy just arrived from another planet and is seriously questioning why he's even here.
What's going on? Oh, your show's on.
POV, the fish realize the giant predator has entered the server. Not Buddy having a chewing fit and planning to mukbang every hard object in sight. When I learn to accept my fate instead of resisting and trying to change it.
What are you doing?
Stop it, my ear is ticklish. Keep teasing me and I'll kiss you. Hey! How can you stay still for so long? Move! Wait, are you fake? Awkward. That's way too complicated, buddy.
Oh! You can actually figure out if you're overspending on them stuffs in just a few seconds. Sometimes you might not even know how obvious your musical gift truly is. When you're convinced the mirror's hiding an imposter and take matters into your own paws. When your little bro starts growing taller and acting up, you realize it's time for action.
Remember, don't take public transportation if you're nearly late for work, or you'll be like that orange guy.
What?
You think a sale price cat will act normal? Just wait and see.
That cake's mine. I got an invite to this birthday bash too. Videos usually have ads, but this one's got a seriously furry interruption.
Disculpe, Su Majestad,
A typical lazy Sunday usually has this kind of vibe going on.
¿te falta algo o estamos bien? Digo, nomás para ver si estoy haciendo...
It's not just humans who are fans of Nyan Cat.
You're not gonna like the snow. Oh! Did I?
These sassy animals might wage a war forever if no one stepped in on time. Back in the day, we thought we were the strongest until reality showed us who's boss. Perhaps something big went down. and it makes today's cat hood meeting packed to the brim.
ثانية عشان الطريق ساعدهم الله يجزاكم خيرا.
This is exactly how guys act when they accidentally anger their girlfriends. So, you're the only one secretly eating my food. Guess I need to teach you some manners, newbie.
Usually, an older sister and a younger brother make up a typical sibling duo like this.
Bruh.
Kitties are the perfect pet for lazy people. Just wait until the end. Happiness Spot's hide is unexpected quarters, sometimes even in uncomfy places. Why, yes, I do sit with elegance and grace. It's just who I am, darling.
Bruh.
Katu loves making friends, but always ends up scaring others with their paws and claws. Introducing the latest sofa decoration art, made by him. Both literally and figuratively, you're the only one who can freeze you. Safety first. I can do this. Maybe a bit slow, but I can do it.
When you have a sibling, you'll realize just sitting and breathing can totally annoy them.
Better safe than sorry. I've got to keep my distance, human. Being speedy often means you're also kind of clumsy. It's the truth. There are two typical types of girls that we all know. Fake tail on the menu looks delectably authentic, but 0 calories. So, being super flexible brings its own challenge, like, which move should I make? This is the weirdest feature ever. I've got to avoid that button on my kitty. Cat drama is like top-notch tea. You just can't wait to spill it. It's time to get up. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
I'm not that fat. I can do it. Every time this guy's hungry, you'll wonder if the owner adopted a cat or a tiger. Sorry, but I first thought that guy was wearing sunglasses in the dark room. When the doormat was washed, I realized cats work like doormats too. Wait, I'm stuck? Ugh, I knew that last snack was a mistake. I thought Space Invaders were bold and rude, but this guy's just rude. Ouch! Who did that? Humans, I know it was you. Cat corner troubles the cat, but today, some of that trouble hit the owner too.
witness the makings of the wildest ride you'll ever witness.
When you were born a cat but dream of becoming a turtle. The perks of this job must be amazing to keep this naughty guy still. Let's see if this table's useless. Wait, what? I didn't expect it to be this good. Why does he act like he knows he's got 8 lives left? This fluff is way more fun than my toys. I'll just say I'm redecorating the bed. Stop fighting and handle this like adults.